Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to change the Elementor pop-up link. So if you don't have the targeted link, the Elementor will produce a random link, something like this. So first, what you need to do is you put a code under the advanced, then open by selector. Make sure you add this code ahref, then the ID ID name, which is mine is I put Rufal form. Then after that one, you target the pop-up, which is this one, Rufal form. And then make sure in display conditions, the conditions should be singular front page. So I want to show it on the front page. So that's how you do it. Then after that, it will change the link to be something like this one. I'm not sure if you can see the changes. Wait, I'll zoom it. So this is the revised link that I did. So it's now Rufal form instead of those random link that Elementor provides. So that's all guys for changing the Elementor pop-up link.